Okay, we have here Kastner Pangid. Of course, kasama sa Santa Cruz Bicycle Riders yan. And Team Sayote Boys. Kastner, kamusta SS1 to SS3 natin?
For SS1 and SS2, I can say it was a very good run for me. Although there's changes naman sa bike kasi it was my first time to ride my Santa Cruz bike po. Pero na-adapt ko naman po agad siya. And nakapag-adjust na din sa track read ko. So for the SS1 and SS2, it was a perfect run for me po. For the SS3, nag-alalay na po ako. Pero still, kailangan kong bilisan din. Yun nga lang, natsambahan ako ng I have a mechanical problem po. Balak ko po sanang itigil yung run ko pero nung chinek ko yung bike, still rolling naman. If pupulipot yung RD ko sa may rayos, titigil ko na po sana pero kaya pa naman ipadjak. So ayan, all throughout the SS3, hindi maganda yung run ko po. Ayan lang po.
So ilang seconds ang lamang mo from second place?
So for the overall, 15 seconds po yung agwat ko kay Steve. It was my teammate din po also sa Santa Cruz, Philippines.
Okay, congrats Kastner, new bike, Mega Tower, and congrats for being part of the Santa Cruz Bicycle Riders.